TechSgears presents The Venture, the newest evolution in wireless mechanical keyboards. The Venture is a super slim mechanical keyboard featuring a standard layout, low-profile chalk switches, full RGB backlighting, and improved multi-device Bluetooth connectivity. The Venture works with all major operating systems, in both Bluetooth and wired modes using a future-proof USB Type-C connection. The Venture operates at the fastest possible polling rate in Bluetooth mode. That means it's esports ready right out of the box. It's designed to help you win, whether you're competing in a tournament or hammering out a critical report. Its multi-device Bluetooth connectivity allows you to pair with your TV, computer, and phone with just a few clicks. Switching between your wireless devices has never been easier. The Venture's wireless battery life is remarkable, boasting a 4,000 mAh rechargeable battery bank that can last up to a month on a single charge. In the event that your keyboard does lose power while on the go, the batteries are user replaceable, so you are always able to use your keyboard. The Venture maintains a full-size keyboard layout, inclusive of the numpad, ensuring no compromise for your typing needs. Our low-profile switches are built in partnership with Kaiwa, the #1 switch manufacturer. Their long-lasting chalk platform provides the best low-profile performance on the market. We listened to feedback from the X1 project to create this new Venture, the ultimate wireless keyboard for everyone. Its beautiful RGB lighting ring, sculpted keycaps, aluminum upper frame, and slim form factor make for the perfect typing experience.
The G513 mechanical gaming keyboard offers a bunch of great features. Whether it's LightSync RGB technology, the aluminum top case and award-winning design, USB pass-through, or the very comfortable memory foam palm rest. However, gamers have been asking us for a while now, when are you going to come out with a traditional mechanical gaming switch? Well, now we offer the GX Brown Tactile, GX Red Linear, and GX Blue Clicky. These all offer the traditional force profiles and have the standard keycap stems so you can use all your favorite keycaps, but they offer the durability and performance standards you expect from Logitech G. The G513 gaming keyboard offers advanced features like lighting and media control keys. It also is fully customizable thanks to our G Hub software. Not only can you configure all the different LightSync options, but you can also program the F keys like G keys to get a bunch of customization, macro support, use our animation editor, screen sampling tool, and also profile support for all your favorite games. You can also tie in all of your other RGB enabled devices from Logitech G. The G513 gaming keyboard also comes with a very high quality memory foam palm rest. Not only is the material water and sweat resistant, but it's also super comfortable and have you gaming for a long period of time. The G513 gaming keyboard comes with a set of faceted keycaps for the most important keys on the keyboard. When you're gaming, you always need to know exactly where those perfect actions so you can hit that perfect shot instead of having to look down at the keyboard. The G513 mechanical gaming keyboard is an amazingly high-performance keyboard and a beautiful and award-winning design. And now, thanks to the GX lineup of switches, gamers have more options than ever before.
The chase for more is fueled by focus and precision. It's what we're known for. But legacies are meant to be left behind. Why play to your limits when you can break them? Redefine your concept of control. Forget what you know. Unleash what's next.
DOS Keyboard 5Q is an RGB LED keyboard that's software-driven and allows you to customize the color and pattern of every key based on the information that you actually want to follow. Instead of relying on snoozable, momentary alerts from different devices, DOS Keyboard 5Q allows you to ambiently track subtle changes to data over time without actively seeking updates or constantly receiving new alerts, which frees you up to work on other super important things. You can think of DOS Keyboard 5Q as a device that takes information you want to keep tabs on and plugs it directly into your subconscious, kind of like how you don't need to look out your window to know it's not raining. The streaming information exists in your peripheral vision, so you can track it without even thinking about it. DOS Keyboard 5Q's volume knob also functions as the Q button, which links you to QApp, the cloud software that powers the dashboard. QApp is being developed with a set of pre-installed profiles geared towards certain sets of notification needs. But what truly makes the software powerful is that it will be community-driven and have an open API. So your keyboard won't just be connected to the cloud, it will be linked to the cleverest, geekiest, most badass hive mind on the internet. With that kind of customizability, the applications of DOS Keyboard 5Q are virtually limitless. Pretty much anything online that you want to keep an eye on can be embedded into your workstation and color-coded to indicate the status. With the tap of the Q button, you can review and immediately address critical alerts, making procrastination, or maybe just a missed deal, a thing of the past. We are building DOS Keyboard 5Q with premium materials, an ultra-sleek design, the fastest electronics, and the most durable mechanical key switches in the market. Plus, it's just a more fun, nicer to look at, badass device. So that's DOS Keyboard 5Q, a brand new genre of keyboard, a one-size-fits-all connected solution for increasing efficiency, lowering stress, and tracking what you care about in a non-invasive, ambient way.